So as you can see, it's raining, right? So I decided to take a shortcut through the passenger side and exit out this door, right? Shorter distance to the house. And I have discovered a very interesting quirk. So usually when you exit the vehicle and close the door, you walk away, it automatically locks, folds the mirrors, turns the car off. But as you can see, the car is still on. Mirrors are unfolded. Right, here's my phone. Right, and I've been attempting to lock this car. So as you can see, I tried to lock it, but all it did was basically lock it from the interior. Right, so I can unlock that. Alright, I've unlocked it. Alright, so I'll lock it again. As you can see, the mirrors are still unfolded and the car is still on. So as far as the car is aware, as far as it cares, I haven't opened and closed the driver's side door, so it treats it. Look, as you can see, the screen is still on. I don't feel I can get focus because of the water, but the screen is still on inside the car. So as far as the car is aware, I'm still in the driver's seat. This is such a weird quirk. So to get the car to lock, I now have to come out in the rain in the umbrella with my umbrella. Open the door from this side, shut it. Now it's going to lock. Alright, from here. How weird is that? That is so strange. So strange. As you can see, the mirror folded in, it's locked. These are just the walkaway lights, whatever they call it. They stay on for a bit and then turn off. But yeah, very strange and very annoying because I've had to come out in the rain to try and lock the car because I can't do it from the app.